Soccer DBB number 224. That's 2015 Topps Premier Gold. Good luck, guys. Teams on the right. I only have 2 boxes left of these, so they are hard to find now. Let's hope we can get some really nice hits out of the last 2 boxes. Got 1 more case for this weekend, which is already full. The next weekend, sorry, next Friday. And we'll break that as a show. So. Those mini packs away quick here. Alright, here we go. 1 box of EPL 2015. Space and orange. There you go. Number 211 for West Bromwich Albion. Darren Fletcher. West Brom, and that is Ole. Congrats, Ole. Nice, number 211. So what I've heard, 2017 EPL will not have any orange parallels either than patches. I hope this is not true, but it looks like so far. That really sucks. Our favorite product, and then a new one they are promoting with Gary Cahill autographs. Yeah, we got Henry and Mark Muniz, Stoke. Let's just hope we are wrong on informations. And new signings: Raheem Sterling for City, and autograph is Aaron Queswell for West Ham. West Ham stats. Base. We have 250. Newcastle, Gary Speed, 36 of 50. It's Gary. We got new signings. Schweinsteiger, and autograph is Michael Carrick, Man U. Manchester United autograph. Going to Sergio. Base. The black Arsenal, Laurent Koscielny. Wow, that is jersey number. No, it isn't. He has 6, not 4. 4 is Merton. Damn, that would have been nice for me. Got Czech and Hector Bellerin. Come on, give me a jumbo. No, he's not giving me a jumbo. Next up, nice. Orange again, nice, come on. It is Norwich, John Ruddy, number 211. Norwich is now on stats spot. Congrats, stats. Got Portsmouth and Geoff Kerman for Stoke. Jersey. Green, Swansea, and Mark Muniz for Stoke. Autograph. Base. Topps kick. We got Rooney and Andy King for Leicester. Base green West Brom, James Chester. That is Nathan Redmond. And autograph is Juan Mata for Manu again. Sergio and Manu. Getting 2 autographs in 1 box. Could be worse, right? Two packs left. We got new signings: Arsenal, Peter Cech, and Jeff Schlupp for Leicester. Jeff Schlupp. And last pack for this box. Let's see what it gets us. We got Leicester, right? Mahrez. We got Nigel Martin for Leeds, and Ben Watson for Watford, a jersey. That does it for the break, guys. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. Peace.